good. That's good.
Hey guys, MBsUnboxings here, and today I am unboxing the Camlink camera cleaning kit CK1. First of all, let's have a look at the box. It's in basic plastic, so yeah. Okay, it comes with a blower brush, lens cleaning fluid, cotton swabs, lens cleaning tissue and lens cleaning cloth. I got this from Premier Ink Photographic. Don't know whether they're still doing the deal, but I got buy one get one free. And yeah, it come yesterday. So let's get into the box then. Bear with me, guys. Okay, so first of all, we have the blower brush. Yeah, it's got the brushes on it. Quite nice to hold. I don't know whether you're meant to, but you can take that off. So yeah, that's the blower brush. Okay, what next do we have? We have the cleaning cloth. Quite big actually. Oh, is that it? Oh, I thought there was more to it, but cleaning cloth. Okay. Oh, oops. Some lens cleaner. Quite big. Sticker says that it's highly flammable and to keep out of reach of children, but fair enough, I am a child, but oh well, I know what I'm doing with the camera stuff. And then we've got some paper cloth. Actually, there's a lot of paper cloth there, so yeah, as you can see. And last but not least, we have some cleaning swabs. They look pretty decent, so yeah, they look alright. So yeah, back of the box says about the lens cleaning fluid that it is irritating to the eyes. Vapors may cause drowsiness and dizziness. Keep out of reach of children. Keep container tightly closed. Keep away from sources of ignition. No smoking. Avoid contact with skin and eyes. In case of contact with eyes, rinse immediately with plenty of water and seek medical advice. Yeah, it's got the codes: irritant, highly flammable, and contains isopropyl alcohol or something. And there's the barcode. Suppose it was alright when it was packed. So yeah, that was the unboxing of the Camlink camera cleaning kit CK1. That's it for now. As I said in my video that I uploaded earlier today, I'm going to be doing a lot more videos near Christmas time, because obviously it's coming up to Christmas and that. So yeah, That's that. I'm thinking about doing a video of my made up camera box. This is my case for my camera box. Yeah, I just found it. My dad let me have it, so yeah. There'll be a video of what's in my camera box soon. Might do it now and upload it later. So yeah, okay. Well, anyhow guys, this was the unboxing of the Camlink camera cleaning kit CK1. My name is MBsUnboxings and I am out. See you later.